On Thursday, the benchmark SPI futures point to the ASX opening lower on Friday. At the time of writing, SPI futures are pointing to the ASX opening the day 10 points or 0.2% lower after declines on U.S. markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average. On Thursday, the benchmark SPI futures point to the ASX opening lower on Friday. At the time of writing, SPI futures are pointing to the ASX opening the day 10 points or 0.2% lower after declines on U.S. markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished the day down over 0.3%. The weaker than expected quarterly earnings from a Taiwanese semiconductor company shook the tech industry and put pressure on the shares of Apple. There are concerns that we have now seen the peak of smartphone sales. Miners could give back gains today. Thursday's Star Stocks Alumina Limited, ASX, WC, Rio Tinto Limited, ASX, Rio, and Western Areas Limited, ASX, WSA, could be set for a day in the red after base metal prices sank lower during trade on the London Metals Exchange. Speculation that Russia may temporarily nationalize aluminium producer Rusal was the catalyst for the change of sentiment. The Royal Commission continues. Shares of Australia and New Zealand banking groups, ASX, ANZ, and National Australia Bank Limited, ASX, NAB, will be on watch as the Royal Commission continues. Revelations that the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, ASX, CBA, had been charging financial planner fees to customers long after they had died shocked the market on Thursday. Dividends being paid. On Friday, there will be no less than 18 companies paying dividends to their respective shareholders. Eligible shareholders of companies including the likes of ARB Corporation Limited, ASX, ARB, QBE Insurance Group Limited, ASX, QBE, and 7 Group Holdings Limited, ASX, SVW, can look forward to receiving these payouts in their nominated accounts today. Gold miners could head lower. Australia's leading gold miners, such as Newcrest Mining Limited, ASX, NCM, and Northern Star Resources Limited, ASX, NST, could come under pressure today after the gold price slipped amid widening bond yields in the United States and a stronger U.S. dollar. The spot gold price is currently fetching $1,345 an ounce, down over 0.2%. Here are 3 top shares I would consider picking up during trade on Friday. The Disruptors, 3 revolutionary Aussie companies to back for 2018. We are living in one of the most exciting times in investing history. Innovation and a booming culture of entrepreneurship are constantly creating new companies with the potential to make forward-thinking investors very rich. Now more than ever, one small, smart investment could make a huge difference to your wealth. That's why at The Motley Fool we've been scrutinizing the ASX to uncover the kinds of companies that we believe could turn into the next Cochlear Array Group. We've found 3 exciting companies that we believe are poised to perform in the new year. Click here to uncover these ideas. James Mickleborough has no position in any of the stocks mentioned. The Motley Fool Australia's parent company Motley Fool Holdings Inc. owns shares of and recommends Apple. The Motley Fool Australia's parent company Motley Fool Holdings Inc. has the following options: long January 2020 $150 calls on Apple and short January 2020 $155 calls on Apple. The Motley Fool Australia owns shares of National Australia Bank Limited. The Motley Fool Australia has recommended Apple and ARB Limited. We fools may not all hold the same opinions, but we all believe that considering a diverse range of insights makes us better investors. The Motley Fool has a disclosure policy. This article contains general investment advice only, under AFSL 400691. Authorized by Scott Phillips. 2 new stock picks every